Man, it's a beautiful, bright new day, and I'm here in Ho, the capital of VOLTA region. And today be a market day, the whole place being choked up.
So in today's video, I'll be showing around Ho Central Market and also try some of the street local food they sell in the market.
What is this? What is Aboteku? What is that? Aboteku. Man, I want to try this. Ready? Okay. So I want to try this. It's called Aboteku, right? Wow. So fruits and that's it's what?
The culture is in palm. It's like
It didn't say. How is it? I told you inside. Is it like that? See. Wow. Agoteku. Okay, as the potato is kind of. As a banchi kind of wind. Okay. It's like cassava. It had that flavor like cassava. Aboteku. Aboteku. Man. Yeah. So you peel out the skin and you. Wow. So it has that flavor like cassava. Wow. Man, the whole place is choked up. As I said, market day in Ho market. And it is what it is. Is it?
fresh black pepper.
Black pepper. Okay, okay. So this is fresh black pepper. Man, I've never seen fresh one before. Wow, fresh one, amazing. Lemongrass, yeah. So on market day, they have 3 types of market. They have like 3 different locations, yeah, where they do this marketing over here. Wow.
For the peasant farmers.
Okay.
So they don't come every day. They only come on the market.
Oh, okay.
But the other places for the stable market women, they come every day.
Oh, okay.
But this place is for the peasant farmers. And it's relatively cheap over here.
Oh, okay.
Because they are not in town.
Yeah.
They bring it from the village.
Okay, so the baobab fruits. How many drink? Okay.
Alangba.
Aliyah. Okay. Asana. So this is Asana. And Lamuji, so ginger drink.
Is it Zonkom or Lamuji?
But I drink inside.
So you use millet?
I use millet,
Zonkom is rice, ginger, millet, and red pepper.
Oh, okay. Okay, I add rice to it. Okay, let me try some. Because this Lamuji is different. So normally the Lamuji that we know is just like a ginger color, but this is different. So you have rice, millet, ginger,
and red pepper.
And red pepper. Not milk. Okay. 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 But it has that same flavor. Eh? Wow. So you feel a bit of the millet and okay, those particles inside your mouth. Wow. Cocoa bread.
Togo.
Togo bread.
There is no moisture in it.
Auntie, no, hey, spaghetti we had
The
it.
spaghetti vegetable.
So salad with spaghetti. Everything. And what again? Salt.
Yeah.
And what?
Oil.
Vinegar. So we place inside this. So this is Togo bread. Sakomi. Okay, so street food inside who? Hey. Peche. Wow. That is Sakomi. And then what's that? Beef.
Yeah.
Wow. What's again? Sardine. Hey.
You see the front.
Sakori. No, So this is Sakomi. Wow. Togo bread.
Yeah, Togo bread.
Wow. Let's take a bite. Wow. Wow.
5
Sakomi. Wow. Man, this is amazing. This is like delicious. Wow. It's amazing, man.
When they send you to market and you don't finish buying the things, don't pass in front of a Sakomi store because you won't go home with some of the money.
Wow.
Sakomi! Yeah, friend.
Where the potatoes are now? Potatoes. And then potatoes, no.
No, it's not potato. It's called
In Campo. What do you do that? How much? Wow. So this is part of the street food. Everything is new. No, I'm trying to here. A package, and like it's a how you say. And try it. It's kind of potatoes, very yellow, and everything is boiled together. So you rip off the skin and you enjoy yourself. So street food in Hope. Then you add something to it. Pepe. Wow. This is in Campo. It's not potatoes. This is how it looks like. Pepper is being added on top. And let's take a bite. Okay. It's really different from potatoes. Doesn't taste like potatoes, not even yam. It has this flavor that I'm trying to. Like, there's this flavor. Wow. Wow. Amazing. One amazing thing is that the place looks very neat. Man, market's there and the place is very neat. Look. Well, VOLTA is one of the neatest place in Ghana, neatest region in Ghana. Marketplace, market day, and the whole place is still neat. Just look around. The famous street food in VOLTA region, and they use cassava to do it. Cassava and kondo.
You put kondo inside before you make it.
Okay. Wow. So this is a pot, and the water, I'm sure there's water inside, and the vapor is coming out. Okay. Wow. Okay, so can I have one try? First time trying it. Let me try one first. So I'm trying one, and yeah, and she has raw pepper on top like this. Wow. So this is it, like this, yaka. Cassava dough with kondo. Wow. Yeah. Okay. It's like achake. Like achake, yeah. It has the taste like achake, no difference. So with this kind of thing, you need more sauce. For me, I believe you need more sauce for you to enjoy it well. Wow. And some catfish. This is dry tilapia. The kako. Small tilapia. Super cool. Amazing. 100. Oh, okay. So the trade for 100. Full market. So maize clear millet. Solom, okay. Man, you see the handle. Wow. Okay. So it tastes like asana. Okay. Right. Also mashed cake. You have that mashed cake. You have that flavor of mashed cake too. Very chill. Wow, so good. Very nice. So hot afternoon ho, you get sogum, solom, pa solom.
And then there is some sort of cement.
Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly share and subscribe. If today is your first time watching, welcome on board. Let's do this again for Shizzle Maniza.
Fidel,